Hi, the objectives for this video is to make a table for graphing using CASIO scientific calculator. The second objective is to visualize the graph using the QR code with your smartphone. This is example 5 to try to plot the graph of a quadratic curve. Part A. We are going to plot the graph of y equals x squared minus 4x minus 5 for x between -2 to 6. So the first thing we do is try to make a table for different value of x from -2 to 6. So here is a table. You see the x from -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time the value of x increased by 1. Then we are going to find out what is the corresponding value of y. We'll start with x equal to -2. Then use y equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5. You substitute x equal to -2. That will give you -2, you square it, -4 times -2, and then -5. This will give you 4 plus 8 minus 5, which is y equal to 7 for x equal to -2. Here is the step to do the calculation. You have open the bracket first, then -2, close the bracket, then square it, minus 4 times, open the bracket, -2, then minus 5, and the result is equal to 7. We can also do the similar calculation for different value of x equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the corresponding value of y, which I write down here. Now, the calculator actually has a table function to get the table at one go. And this is how we do. I call out the calculator again. Let me go to menu, just on the button under setup, and then I want to make a table. So move down to look for a table. So the table is number 9 for this calculator. So afterwards I enter equal, then you enter the function. The function in this case is x squared minus 4x minus 5. So what you do is, in order to input the x, you have to press alpha, then x, read letter x, then square it, minus 4 times x, 4 times x again is a alpha x, then minus 5. So this is a function, then equal. Now this calculator can get two tables. In this case, I just ignore g, I just put g equal 0. Ignore it. Now the value of x is getting it x from -2, as we see on the table, all the way to 6. The step size is 1, means every time the value of x increased by 1. Alright, then equal. Then you can see a table of x here. When x equal to minus 2, y equals 7. When x equal to minus 1, y equals 0. When x equal to 0, y equal to minus 5. You can see the value of corresponding x and y. So you can move down to see what happens when x equal to 1, y equal to minus 8. When x equal to 2, y equal to minus 9. Right? So you can do this until you can find that what is the value of y when x equal to 3. Right? So we can find that when x equal to 3, y equal to minus 8. If we continue, let's see what happens when x equal to 6. When x equal to 6, you can find that the value of y is equal to 7. So we have verified that our table is correct. Next, we are going to plot the graph of y equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5. First, you get a graph paper, and the graph paper I have x range from minus 3 to 7, y range from minus 10 to 20. And we plot a few points in the beginning. For example, x equal to negative 2, y equals 7, this point here. X equal to minus 1, y equals 0 for this point here. And x equal to 0, y equal to minus 5. And then we continue the rest of the table. You have all the points from x equal to minus 2 to x equal to 6. So all these points will form part of the curve, and to join this curve together, and that is the graph of y equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5. If you have a smartphone with a QR code reader, you actually can use a smartphone to view the graph. How to do that? This calculator has a QR code generator. To do that, you see the word QR on the calculator. Okay, QR on the calculator there is a yellow function. So you press a shift option for QR, then the QR code appear. So then you can use the CASIO QR code reader or any QR code reader to scan the QR code. And we will show you how the QR code, how the graph look like. In order to view the graph generated by the CASIO calculator, you need a QR code reader. Any QR code reader will do the jobs. This is what the QR code reader will show you. You have the equation of fx equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5 and the graph from x equal to negative 2 to x equal to 6. The rate curve is the graph of x squared minus 2x minus 5. One of the point is x equal to minus 1, and another point is x equal to 5. You can get it from the table. X equal to minus 1, x equal to 5. So the solution for x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0 is x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 5. There should be smooth and no sharp corners.